So check it out. Here's a couple other projects I've been working on. A friend of mine sent me some cars he said were transition cars from when Ives was purchased by Lionel American Flyer. I guess it was a joint venture, each company wanting something that Ives had. Here's a couple of passenger cars from that era. I was able to find, I'll pull them up here. So I was able to find the missing handrails, and I painted the tops blue because they were all rusted. One of them, the rear one, I touched up some of the litho. I wanted to keep the litho as original as I could, though, because I like it. So I thought I'd take them for a spin. Then I put some LED track lights in them. This one has a roller pickup, and then I tethered it with a little quick disconnect to light the rear LEDs too. So that's the first project I've been working on. I'll take that for a little spin here. So I got one roller pickup lighting both cars. I'm going to turn the camera a little bit this way. Hopefully, there we go. So the memorial train I did for my mom now has a couple of really nice passenger cars pre-war, and I've seen some where there's an observation car and I think a baggage car that goes with this set. So if I can find some ones to fix up, I'll buy those and add to it. But for now, I'll run these. But the main project I'm working on, now pull that around, is this, doing an E7 for in honor of the Air Force. I just got some decals made up for it. Let me move it a little bit closer so you can get a better look at it. And I cleaned it up. I replaced the missing steps, and also I always drill out the Mars light and put a 19-volt LED in there, and the top one's a blinker. And I also painted the truck covers blue. And the one thing I always do is I leave that the little faux middle wheel silver so that it stands out and looks like a triaxle, which is what an E7 is. And it's got a power pull motor in it. The decals I printed out on the no spray, and actually it's a combination of some of the no spray and some of the just clear, because the clear decal paper that's no spray doesn't work very well, so I don't use it. So I thought we'd take that for a spin too. I've got some missiles and some helicopters. I plan on getting some cars for this. I know Lionel made some missile launcher cars that I think would look pretty good with it. And so we'll see what we can come up with. And we'll also paint a dummy A unit. So for now, we'll take this for a spin. I'll turn the camera a little bit better that way. And I'm hoping to do a Marines train and also Coast Guard in honor of all our veterans that I'm really thankful for. I never served in the military, so I'm very thankful for those who have. And so for all veterans watching, I thank you for your service. And I also put clear plastic in the cab windows and in the windshield. And we'll bring it by one more time. Alright, and there are all images of things I found online that are pertain to the Air Force. So again, thank you all veterans of all the armed forces for your service. God bless, never forget, Jesus is Lord.